Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QQQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a crazy movement on this one today with all the news around the markets and headlines, and started off looking like it was just going to be a false alarm. I mean, gap down, nice bounce up, and then price just really had a nasty roll back over. And then from there, could never quite recover. And then the last 30 minutes was pretty rough there. But going into the weekend, I really want to apply the KISS method here. Keep it simple, stupid. Because there's really two main technical levels that stand out. And none of this is like some sort of great discovery on my part. And I make that comment because I don't want to come across like this is some sort of like special skill that I have or anything. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching these levels. And like I said, I make that comment because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have going on with each of these levels. Now, the first update and level that a lot of people are going to be watching is right here at 277. And the update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, that's going to be the main battleground that, like I said, a lot of people will be watching. And while not a guarantee, it is a valid thought that if the price can break its way up through that level, that could create some big, good, solid upside buying pressure. So that'll be the main area of resistance. And then on the flip side, the other level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching in regards to areas of support is that pink line down there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known and famous 200 period moving average, currently valued at, let's just call it 272.85, right around that level. So again, same logic, and not a guarantee of anything, but it is a more than valid thought to have that if the price were to come down to that level and break down through it, that could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So you're going to want to keep a very close eye on that also going into early next week. But all in all, KISS method, keep it simple, stupid. Key level of resistance, 277. Key level of support down there at 272.85. So let's see how it all plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.